What is up, guys? My name is Chase, and every 3 or 4 months I make enough money that I can make some kind of a big purchase. Every so often I like to treat myself, and that's what we have here in this box. So this is an eBay package, and I feel like there's always something very interesting about looking at what kind of newspaper they include in the packages. Like, I feel like there's so much to be learned about this person based on the newspaper that they include. I don't know. So this is the Sony 18-105mm f4 PZ OSS E-Mount lens. I think those are all the acronyms, but basically it's a zoom lens, which is something that I really wanted. This is a really big lens. I mean, so this is the kit lens, 18-135mm f3.5 to 5.6. The 18-105 is a bit bigger than the 18-135. The very cool thing about this 18-105 lens is that all of the zoom is built into the lens, which means if I move the zoom ring here, the lens like doesn't retract or anything. While this 18-135, when you turn the zoom ring, obviously the lens pokes out like that. And so basically I'd say if you want to get some kind of a comparison for the size of this lens, it's basically about the size of the 18-135mm if you zoom it in all the way. I basically want to start doing more like travel video and photos, and I think this zoom lens is going to be really great for that. And I got this lens on eBay for like a really good price. I believe I got this for around $300 or $400. This usually goes for almost $800 US on like Amazon. I got a really good deal, so I think that's really cool. So I just wanted to throw on this lens just to see what we could get. And so the cool thing here is that I believe if we move this zoom ring, there we go, we can zoom in all the way up to 105mm. So you're basically seeing nothing here, and then we can zoom out like that. That's really cool. It's really smooth. I like it. Anyway, let's switch back to the 16mm. What do you say? Let's go outside and do some tests with this guy.